If the area you are designing has space constraints, you can consider composing the wooden pattern horizontally. Just as the vertical panel gives an illusion of height, a horizontal panel can make the room look vast. Consider only the bottom half of the wall paneling to lend the space a heritage vibe. Fix French trimmings in concentric squares or rectangles at equidistant points along the length for a traditional paneling look. Introducing natural wood in the panel with its nodes and ring intact adds a rustic charm to your room. Versatility is the main advantage of a black panel look. Virtually any other color or home decor item will consort to a black panel. If you are in the mood for something unique, PVC panels are available in different shapes, patterns and colors. They are comparatively very cheap and can look exceptionally green. You can also go for more expensive options such as UPVC panels and unplasticized version of the same. Styling the wall in the same style as the wardrobe doors look highly engaging. Paneling the closet can also help eliminate monotony in the bedroom where you usually witness plain wooden shutters for all closet doors. It can be particularly tricky to get this technique right. You must only use solid and sturdy materials for this paneling. Choosing a Duco spray paint finish over regular paint is also ideal, as standard paint tends to crack and flake at the joints. Wall panels can double up as shelving units to promote smart storage in miniature and confined spaces. Think beyond the usual floating shelves. You can utilize a wall panel storage. French plain wall paneling are the epitome of boho chic. When framed with light or white wood, these cane panels offer an airy, coastal undertone to overall design. These wall panels can also be freestanding and moonlight as a room divider or wardrobe shutter. Try throwing in a little marble finish with the paneling. A wall panel with a marble texture can look elevated and rich as a feature wall in any room. Letting the wall panel design run onto the ceiling for a seamless flare. However, ensure that you apply this technique to an otherwise simple or understated room. This style can quickly look congested in a small space or a room rough with architectural elements. Wallpapers can hold their own and act as a statement background to your decor. However, go one step further and pair patterned or floral wall coverings with a classic wall panel to witness firsthand the glow up to your room. Bring in the 3/4 panel and your room now looks more luxurious, taller and sophisticated. Offsetting the panel with a different color than the ceiling can inversely break the visuals and make the room seem more tangible and warm.